Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Board CNC Works. My name is Nugent, and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be using Easel to design a pen holder, a holder for your pen as well as for your sticky notes. Now I got this request from a client, and all the client sent me was this picture. She wanted this, as well as the engraving on the pen with the sticky notes. So I said, yes, it is fine, I will be doing it. Before we get into the video, please like and subscribe and share the video. So let's go. Project, new project. Let's just wait for it to open. Okay, it's open. First thing you want to do is you want to go and select your material, what your stock size is, and what type of material you are using. Now let's scroll down. Let's just say it's soft maple. Okay, so we have a piece of soft maple, 200 by 300 millimeters. So the first thing we're going to do is make the cutout for the pen. So we are going to be using a square shape. Now the width of the pens are normally 10 millimeters. So we put in 10 there, and the height is normally 170 millimeters. You see. So with this, we are just going to rotate it 90 degrees. Now when you lay the pen in this, it is going to be sitting almost halfway into the groove, but you will still have trouble trying to pick it up. So what we're going to do is make a circle. Make the circle also 5 millimeters deep, and it will be 20 by 20 millimeters. So let's select the circle, and we select the pen. We're going to be holding down shift to select both, center it, and center it again on both the vertical and the horizontal axis. Then we're going to go down, then we're going to go to edit, click combine, and there you have it. We have one shape now. Then the second one is the sticky notes. Now that's a square. The sticky notes are normally 75 millimeters by 75 millimeters, but I want the 5 millimeter cushion on both sides, on all four sides. So I'm going to be making it 85 millimeters by 85 millimeters. Also, it's going to be difficult to get the sticky notes out, so let's make another circle, and we make it 20 by 20 again. Select both using shift and select, center it, then we move this one just a bit down so that you are able to get your finger in. Just move it down, then shift and select, edit, and combine the shapes. Let's move this. Now let's just align these two on the left hand side. Yes. Now I want this and this to be about 1 millimeter apart, 10 millimeters apart. So if we zoom in, why am I having trouble? If we zoom in, you will see this block is 10 millimeters. So let's just move it. Let's just move this down. Just touches the 10 millimeters. And let's move this up. Just touches 10 millimeters, but let's just realign this. There you go. And then we can zoom out again. As you can see, as we are working, it's updating here on the right hand side. So now we need a bigger square around it, maybe actually a rectangle, but it needs to be bigger than what the pen is. So what I'm going to do is 10 millimeters on each side I want it to hang over. So if we take the length of the pen and we add 10, we will get to 190. And also if we take the height of both the pen and the cutout for the sticky notes, it will be 125. So let's put it in. Width of 190 and length of 125. Press enter. Now as you see, it is still to clear out the pocket. Now what we want is, we want it to cut outside of the path, and we want to make it straight through. So we select the pen, or we select the outside shape, then the pen, center it. I usually get this wrong, so excuse me. Let's just realign these. Let's combine them to make them one. Select inside parts with the outside parts. Center them on the horizontal, then on the vertical. Now this is how it's going to be looking. Now what you can do is, you can go into here and do the engraving here, but I'm going to be saving that for another video because I will be using my laser engraver to do that. So let's just make both of these 5 millimeters deep. Yes, and that's it, ladies and gentlemen. If you found that you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe and share the video with others. If you have any suggestions on where I can improve, please feel free to put them down in the description, in the comments. And if you have an idea for a future video, or if you are struggling with something, feel free to put it in the comments. After this, I'll be showing you how it turned out. I don't have footage of the actual carve of it, but I will upload it as soon as I get it. Once again, thank you very much and enjoy.